Press the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to watch my latest videos. Hello guys, and you are again welcome to my channel nballrounder, and today I am going to show you a special new and secret trick of Play Store. First of all, you need to have a Google account. After that, just go to your phone settings. After that, scroll some down and here will be Google. Just go to that. After that, scroll some down and you will find here instant apps. Go to it and just on it. I have already owned it, but I will show you how to on it. After that, tap on this. And now you can go to Play Store. So just open your Play Store app and search here Vimeo. Here is our application. Just go to it. Sorry guys. Just go to this application. And if you don't want to install this app, then you can try it now. This is a new feature of Play Store. So I will tap on try now. After that, let it load for some time. See guys, as you can see, our app is started. So like this, there are so many apps of try now. Play Store is creating more and more apps. If you want to see which apps are in try now, then just go to Google and search here for Play Store try now apps. Just tap on this link. And here are so many applications of try now. So you can check that it is available, and without downloading you can try these apps. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and impress your friends. Thank you.